Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by verifying accounts and connection. This is where most login failures start. First, confirm the Xbox account email matches the linked Epic Games account so authentication tokens align. Once done, check Xbox Live and Epic service status to rule out outages. You save time if services are down. Then restart the console and router to clear transient network issues, and make sure you try a wired connection for stability. These initial actions remove common causes, so you can tackle deeper fixes next. Now you perform the deeper checks that fix persistent login errors. If tokens are stale, unlink Epic from Xbox settings and then relink to force fresh authentication. This refreshes credentials on both sides. Next, clear console cache by fully powering down for 10 seconds and remove any saved network profiles so the system rebuilds clean connections. Finally, verify NAT type is open and that firewall or router isn't blocking required ports. Adjust port forwarding or use DMZ only if you understand the risks, because it affects security. Finish by eliminating software corruption and isolating the problem. You should reinstall Fortnite to replace corrupted files, then sign in again so fresh data syncs. If the issue persists, test logging into Epic on another device. This tells you whether the problem is the console or the account itself. If it's still failing, collect error codes and the steps you tried, then contact Epic support. One key troubleshooting tip: if you repeatedly see a token error, revoke all sessions from your Epic account security page and relink accounts to force a clean login state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.